Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. In this video we're going to talk about the unknown service which appears on every startup like WindowsService.exe. So I was starting up and you could see like this is just a blink. Within that frame it just happened and I didn't know, but I was able to capture this by slowing down. I took a screenshot and it's something shows like it is inside somewhere directly inside the app data local updates. So we're just going to deal with this in our own way. Okay, so the first thing, make sure you disconnect internet. If you don't, it's completely okay, but there are steps that you have to take precaution because it's really a virus and it shouldn't be in your system, whether it's your PC or laptop. Okay, so the first thing, we are going to get into this directory. For that you just have to open the Explorer first, and then you have to go to the C drive, users, and whatever the username you have given to your laptop PC. And after that you have to type / and app data. It should be like this. Okay, hit enter, then go to the local, and after that scroll down to the bottom and come down to this updates folder, and within this whatever is given just select all and delete, because you know this is the service that appeared when you hit the startup, and you won't be finding related to this inside the task manager startup folder anywhere. There is nothing given until you boot it into the safe mode, but we're not going to do that. Okay, so delete whatever is given inside this directory. I would say even direct the folder from outside, and after that you have to move on to the second step. Okay, and that would be going into the registry. The registry editor. Regedit is the code word. You can type in the run box or you can just run manually in your own. And after that you have to come down to this key directory, which is this HKCU, the current user, and after that so on. Then you have to look over to this key attributes. If something is unknown, messy, you don't know which seems unfamiliar, which is maybe like Windows Server or update service like that. So if you find that, just delete. Okay, just only that key, not everything else. And after that, the last and final thing is you have to run the Autoruns. You can get that from the description down below. Extract it and run it with the privileges, admin privileges command. And after that privilege, you have to go to this scheduled task. This is the final thing that you have to deal with, and just look for that service name. You will be able to find that. If it's not given, it's okay, but still you have to look for that. It's going to take a bit of time because it's loading the background processes, services and everything. I'm going to give you the name related to that. Okay, so here in the bottom you can see the name is given, but it says the file is not found anywhere. So just uncheck this and you're done. Just simply hit uncheck and that's it. So you're done now. Everything is done. Every steps are performed well. Now if you restart your system, you won't be finding anything related to it. Okay, so like if I restart it, relogging in, and there is no pop-up anymore. Okay, so that's how you can solve this issue. And if you have any problem, just ask me down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.